Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on sense of me ukuthi gcine phi izolo, because I just felt ukuthi lolo undendende, so I didn't really include it because you remember Dr. Ronnie Sibanda at some stage he took time. I think it took like a month now. Ukwenza all those phone numbers with uPinky Vitalinge. It's just crazy for me. How can you read phone numbers the whole day and bank statements? Yeah, guys, it's starting again. I think this is why defense was just like, no, we can't have those two people. So Ndlovu is on now busy nalo phone number. No ratio fagaz. I know. Me explain umuntu. If you're explaining a person, it should the colors with two tones. That's what I see. That's what Rata was saying. This is what I see, Mina. So you need to explain. But see, it's fine. I mean, there's nothing we can do about that. But you need to explain proper. Oguti, this is what you see, and you explain properly. Oguti, it's two-toned colors, or I'm just like, what if Ndlovu is colorblind, guys, and it's fine. I mean, really? Oh my gosh, like and Ronnie Sibanda is just gonna come back and do that thing again today. The whole day. I can just see him, Some judge passed on yesterday, right? And then obviously Judge Rata finally be connected to the judge president actually in Eastern Cape. Kothi babefunda bonke and obviously every time he has more experience, he was ahead of this guy in 2 years. I was just like, I saw that, guys. So he had to tell us that story while we were waiting for accused number 1. They were still processing him downstairs. Dr. Sibanda Ronnie. So Ratake was just telling us, I know they even went to school together. After they qualified, they did actually work together in the labor court. We are mazige. And then actually, in fact, just as much as he was appointed as a judge president in Eastern Cape, I have more experience than him. So it was about him, Urata. Yeah, so I was just like, really? And then usaqhubeka-ke uSibanda-ke uyafunda-ke iy'thombe-ke. Basically, I don't know how you study photos, guys, but kuyenzeka kuleya court yase-Pretoria High Court because bayakwazi ukupheka izinto but ayivuthwa into zabo all the time. Yo, guys, this does not make sense. Umuntu nje afundane nama-photos the whole day. Guys, I'm just like, speaking and you feel ukuthi kodwa, guys, we are cooking, and also we must remember ukuthi makubizwe nje subs employees, wazi ukuthi it's over. Vele sibona ukuthi kuphekiwe, sebebriefiwe, batshelwa ukuthi lalela nizothi nithi nizobe nifunda yebo from the stuff that you have, and you guys will download as anyways. But man, guys, you can tell because these things have been cooked. Other photos were deleted in 2020. So why are we here? Like, I don't even understand. Guys, warrant officer Ndlovu, once he starts to say Colonel Steyn, I was with Hashem, it's cooked. He was called by him to check on the downloads. I must just know what will be done. Kuba lo ababo namanga lo ase George. Hey, the person can lie. Hey, retired enjalo. Ihleli ekhaya manje uGeorge. Edla imali yase SAPS. Mangalo wamuntu. Once you mention the person beno host, host has been mentioned. Kuthiwa uKenneth host ngathi hayi nge right. There's nothing. We must just know ukuthi ayikholwa lapha. There's nothing into ezingabaluyi. You can tell nje ukuthi this thing is cooked and manufactured at the same time. And ayivuthu. Guys, let's just face it. This is very silly, eh? Basically, a nego warrant officer Ndlovu and a brigadier. I'm just like, I'm guys. Yo, as I know, we've dealt with the brigadier for a long time. Imagine. Lona is a time waster. Abawazi ukuchitha isikhathi bafunda into eyi-1 the whole day. Yo, uyalithanda undendende ubudilo udoctor. Hayi udoctor Kushem can waste your time. Ufunde the whole day. At some stage, I didn't even know what he was saying. So basically, guys, I just feel like I don't have my expertise when it comes to digital things, about my phone and stuff. We're not all good, guys, on those things. And I've always said, when it comes to attorney Sipho Ramasipili, he's good with stuff like that. But Mnisi, guys, he's overwhelmed. Uyambona nje akasazi ukuthi what is what. Guys, umbuzo uthi ene from a comment, why ama-politicians enga-intervene kule case? Kuthulekile, bonke abantu bathulile. Yabona ukuthi khona into abayaziyo ukuthi obani abathengwayo basaba somebody na. What's crazy is that state abantu babo, remember I said on a video before this one ukuthi state is always ready. Uvele nje ubese lapho officer, warrant officer Ndlovu. He was there already. Kanjani guys? In such short notice, just as much as Ubalewi has been going on last week, and I'm told they are ready. I'm like, you're told by who? Because you are the ones that calls these people. And be like, no right. But no, just apply. I will agree. Don't worry about it. Hi, guys. This is just crazy, guys. These lies are gonna go on until when? At the time, umnisi naye stuck because the person who actually did excel today and fanele as my flowers like Uramusipili. Guys, I just feel like, you know what, Ubaloyi played defense in Adwenorat. I just knew there was gonna be some dangerous situation here. Danger, Ubuyibona, danger. Something's gonna happen here. I'm just like, Nkosiam, Umnisi Esebambegile, they were not given a chance, these people, to study these photos. Okay, so this is how we're going to cross-examine these guys, these two guys. Ubuthelezi kanye no usergeant Ubuthelezi kanye no warrant office. Uyabona ukuthi this is so unfair now. Ngoba umnisi at some stage umntana abantu besebambekile wazelaphi umnisi how to answer izinto zama-digitals and all of that. Ikhona ama-memory card la emafonini. The whole thing yokuthi if ungayilose ithombe sala in memory card, I mean, you can take it out, it has stuff. I mean, oh guys, it was just crazy. It is so unfair. I really didn't like the court situation today. Because Uzjelile, but you know what? We will take these boys down in the season of Valela, jail. Already these people have spent 5 years in jail. Just imagine, guys, what kind of a life is that? Politicians are quiet. Akekho umuntu osho ukuthi ibona kusodlala ukheli. Na kusodlala dikhumaluzi and whoever was in the house. Ubibona le nto leyo. Yo, hi guys, this is just crazy. Ngapha uratha naye ubamba abantu athi nje hayi ayibona ayigeke noma sekuthiwa izinto zafana kuyona selfie kantanzile. Cabanga guys. Guys, you know how much I love umnisi ngithi mina. Yo, umnisi wemvula. Just into zamafoni, those are not these things. You understand? So here today attorney Ramasipili showed like excellence. He knows the stuff when it comes to phones. He knows what to ask. This is why I'm saying they should have been given a chance to study the pictures, guys. I find it very unfair. I like though that Umunisi tried his best, and then some stage he was even asking Ndlovu ukuthi ena uyazi meme umuntu njani ungayazi meme advocate Mnisi. And then I must say though, Ramasipili, I did really well. He knows his stuff around phones, digital situations. Those are his things. I think Ndlovu was actually caught off guard at some stage. How I know I tell you Ramasipili knows his numbers around phones. 2 or 3 questions that guy warrant officer Ndlovu, he couldn't answer them. Things like, would you be able to do integra from MMS on the phone? What try. He was just like, you know, and I think a lot of people learned other things from that. This is why I get it today. We are told flowers for Black excellence. Okusalayo uRamasipili did put Ndlovu on the spot. Ndlovu bese bakaza nje esethibo. Usasela izinto lo. You ever felt ukuthi this person wouldn't know these things just because we forensic when it comes to my phone and all of that, digitals. So he was just like, what? And you know what's crazy? These guys, especially accused number 2, kusho ukuthi umtshela uRamasipili ethi ngazana lezi ithombe mina. Please. So uRamasipili ufuna ukwazi ukuthi akwenzeki yini ukuthi lezi ithombe mhlamba ayithathiwe ku social media uyayithatha uzofika nazo la usuthi they were actually downloaded from Tanzi's phone. Guys, it's crazy. And chances are you would have taken these photos mhlambe from Facebook. Ukubona.